Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School. Today we will be doing EVS and the topic Means of Transport Part 2. In the previous video we have studied about the invention of the wheels and the transport in the olden days. In this video we will study about the means of transport in present day, that is land transport, water transport, rail transport and air transport. So let's begin. Traveling means going from one place to another. We use different means to travel from one place to another. Some people use bicycle, scooter, car, or a bus to travel. Some people use an aeroplane or a helicopter, or some may travel by a boat or a ship. These are all called means of transport. Means of transport are very important in our daily life because they take us to our place of work, they help us to reach our school, they help us to visit our friends and relatives, they help us to carry things and do many other activities. Therefore, without means of transport, our life will be very difficult. Different means of transport. There are different means of transport such as land transport, rail transport, air transport, and water transport. Land transport. Land transport connects different places. They connect villages, cities, states, and even other countries. Different vehicles can be seen on the road. Land transport consists of vehicles that move on road and railways. All vehicles we use to travel on a land have wheels. Some vehicles have engines. Engines need petrol, diesel, or gas to run. Other vehicles do not have engines. They are bicycles and cycle rickshaws. Vehicles that move on land are called land transport. A bicycle. A bicycle is a good way to travel short distances. People ride bicycle. A bicycle does not have an engine. Car. Car is one of the most popular means of transportation. It is driven by an engine. Cars for public transport are called taxis. A scooter or a motorcycle. A scooter or a motorcycle can carry two people. It is driven by an engine. A bus. We can also use buses to travel. Many people can travel in a bus together. It is also driven by an engine. A truck. A truck carries heavy loads from one place to another. Rail transport. Trains run on tracks. Trains which carry people are called passenger trains. Trains which carry goods are called goods train. The engine of a train runs on diesel, coal, or electricity. We board a train at a railway station. Train stops at various stations along the tracks. Air transport. Aeroplane. An aeroplane can fly very high. It is the fastest means of transport. The person who flies an aeroplane is called a pilot. Aeroplanes take off and land at airports. Helicopter. A helicopter can fly but not as high as a plane. Water transport. A sailboat uses wind to move. It is used to travel short distances over rivers and lakes. A ship. A ship can travel across seas and oceans. It carries goods and passengers from one country to another. Speedboat. A speedboat is a small boat. It travels very fast. Submarine. A submarine travels under the sea. This was all about the means of transport on roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. I hope, children, you have understood the lesson. Thank you, children, and keep learning.